everyone, my name is Jade Robin and I am a National Color Educator for John Paul Mitchell Systems. I am so excited about social gathering and diving into categorized topics that really nurture every aspect in your life. Today we are focusing on me time and really creating a foundation of manifestation and finding your inner voice. I use a lot of tools when it comes to speaking and creating my own reality and the lifestyle in which I desire, and I just really want to share some of those tools with you. A lot of people might be confused about what manifestation means, what it looks like, or even where to begin. It can be kind of an overwhelming process in deciding for yourself what you want your life to look like. I have read 3 novels from the author Paulo Coehlo, and the most recent one I read really spoke to me on a spiritual level, and it was so magnificent how it kind of intertwined with my life because I happened to pick it up on my adventure to Hawaii seminar that I got to experience this January with the Paul Mitchell family. I am going to take you through a series of exercises that will help navigate and guide us through really starting and creating manifestations within your own lives. They are very simple and yet at the same time can be quite challenging, which the only way to grow is outside of your comfort zone. So the only way to step outside of your comfort zone is by challenging yourself and diving into new adventures in which you may have never experienced before. This is very important in creating a foundation and creating balance within your life. So the first exercise we're going to do from The Pilgrimage by Paulo Coehlo, the seed exercise. Kneel on the ground, then seat yourself on your heels and bend forward. If you're familiar with the yoga practice, we're going to start in child's pose. So kneel on the ground, then seat yourself on your heels and bend forward so that your head touches your knees. It is going to look like this. It could look a little bit more compact. You can put your hands out in front of you, and you can even put your hands behind you as well. So that's how you're going to start. You are now in fetal position. So this is imaginative. Creating visuals is very important. That's why vision boards are so effective. And so imagine and play along with me. Challenge yourself. Little by little, you will perceive that you are a tiny seed cradled in the comfort of the earth. Everything around you is warm and delicious. You are in a deep, restful sleep. Suddenly, a finger moves. The shoot no longer wants to be a seed. It wants to grow. Slowly, you begin to move your arms, and then your body will begin to rise, straightening up until you are seated on your heels, like I am now. So you're going to start in child's pose, and then slowly just, in your own way, move to a seated kneeling position. My bum is on my feet, my heels, and I am now kneeling on the ground. The moment has come to break completely through the earth. I know that sometimes in my hardest and most challenging times of manifestation, when I feel like I'm just not going to make it, that's when I'm about to have a breakthrough, and that's sometimes the most challenging part. So visually, we are under the ground, we're a seed, and we're kind of like breaking through the surface. The moment has come to break completely through the earth. You begin to rise slowly, placing one foot on the ground, then the other, fighting against the disequilibrium. So you're probably going to feel wobbly. I actually did this seat exercise every day when I was in Hawaii, and it was just so amazing and powerful. So once you come to standing, here we are in standing. Imagine the area about you, the sun, the water, the wind, and the birds. Now you are a shoot that is beginning to grow. Slowly raise your arms to the sky, then stretch yourself more and more and more and more, as if you want to grasp the enormous sun that shines above you, giving you the strength and attracting you. Your body begins to become more and more rigid, all of your muscles strain, and you feel yourself to be growing. You become huge. The tension increases more and more until it becomes painful, unbearable. Stretch until you can no longer stand it. When you can no longer stand it, scream and open your eyes. You're going to feel silly when you do this, but that's where growth comes. Stepping outside of your comfort zone, challenging yourself, embarking on something else that you've never done before. Repeat this exercise for 7 days, consecutively, always at the same time. A lot of you may be jumping into new routines right now, so put this on your calendar, create a schedule. If you don't have a schedule and you're not quite there yet, make time at the same time every day to practice the seat exercise. We're going to do this for 7 days. I'm going to journey with you, and we are going to manifest the life of our dreams. I'm so excited for you to go on this journey with me. I would love to hear from you. You can find me on social media at I'm Not a Barber. I can't wait to see where this goes for everyone. Let's connect and keep in touch. Live beautifully.